Welcome to my channel. It's time for round 2 of the ultimate showdown. In the red corner, weighing in at 200 pounds of pure analytical power, it's Team Men. And in the blue corner, also weighing in at 200 pounds of emotional intelligence, it's Team Women. The question is, are men really better at thinking than women? Are they really as smart as they think they are? Before we get to the results, one more thing. Now let's get to the ring. Men think logically. Women think emotionally. True or false? Studies show that men do indeed lean more on problem solving, women lean more on empathy. But here's the twist. Women outperform men in memory and multitasking, while men excel in spatial reasoning. So who's smarter depends on the game being played. Here's the deal. Men tend to stick to one task at a time, diving deep into the details. Women, on the other hand, can juggle multiple tasks, considering all angles and perspectives. This makes women better at understanding complex relationships, but men better at finding patterns and solving problems. In short, men think like detectives, focused and detail-oriented. Women think like coaches, seeing the bigger picture. So who has the smarter brain? The multitasking Wonder Woman or the analytical man? You decide. Now it's time for the ultimate showdown. Comment below which team you think has the smarter brain. Team Men or Team Women? Let's settle this once and for all. And don't forget to share this video with your friends so we can get 100,000 comments. Share this video to ignite the great brain debate. And remember, it's not about being a man or a woman, it's about celebrating the incredible power of the human brain. So comment below which team you think has the smarter brain. Team Men or Team Women? Let's settle this now.